Sister Krieg and this is Monday's bit of video. I'm not gonna do much because my hard drive is full. I'm sorry for posting my video late last Sunday, but it's all I could do to get it up in some way. I'm drinking Mountain Dew. When it's in the glass it is blue. Today is Tuesday, Tuesday sage day, everybody's happy, you bet your life we are. No, wait. Let's go. Hello, Hazel, it's Wednesday, and I have a horrible cough still. I don't want to be singing the song, but I am because I've got to. And this is horrible, but you've got to put up with it, 'cause you made me sing it. Hello, Hazel, I'm in awe. This isn't really singing at all. Yes, it is. Sing again, Jen. Sing again, Jen. I don't know anything.
I was quite surprised how small it was.
Hazel, I've just spent 2 hours making a cover for our yearbook. Yes, that's what I've been doing. I refuse to sing here. This is Shakespeare's grave.
So it was the Christmas tree that was here. Christmas, obviously, they turned it into a cross. That lovely symbolism.
This is where Shakespeare was born, Hazel. I'm sorry this has gone back to regular vlog, but I'm not singing today.
This is his house?
This is it, Jonathan. Well done.
Okay.
The floor you're standing on is probably not the original to the house, but it was here during Shakespeare's time. It's the oldest floor in the house now. So William Shakespeare would walk on this floor.
And many a man there is, even at this present. Now, while I speak this, that holds his wife by the arm, little thinking that she has been slewest in his absence, and his pond fished by his next neighbour, by Sir Smile.
Coxie likes what?
Coxie likes Willie.
Natalie's got on 5 pairs of glasses right there. She's now 12 high.